On Samsung Galaxy devices, controlling volume, music playback, power, and even taking screenshots directly from the navigation bar is actually possible, and most of you don't even know this feature exists. So without further ado, let's see how to add custom buttons to the navigation bar on Samsung phones. First, download the Good Lock app. If it's already installed, make sure it's updated, then open it. Now go to the Plugins tab and download the Navstar module. This is a Good Lock module that lets you customize your navigation bar. Again, if it's already installed, make sure it's updated. Once installed, tap on Navstar and enable it. You can use any of the ready-made layouts with just a single tap, as you can see. To add custom buttons, tap on New Configuration, then go to Button Layout and tap on Add Button. As soon as you do that, you'll see a list of available buttons. Scroll down and select the buttons you want to add to your navigation bar. You can add up to 2 custom buttons. For example, to add volume controls, simply tap on them. You can also drag and drop the buttons to change their position on the navigation bar to your convenience. Once you're done, tap Done and save the configuration to see the new buttons appear on your navigation bar. Using this method, you can add the power button, screenshot button, camera shortcut, media controls, and more. This is especially useful if your physical buttons are damaged or hard to use, since everything becomes easily accessible from the navigation bar. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Android customization videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.